Hello fam and good morning! Welcome back to our channel. So kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast and nagbihis na rin ang family today. Kita niyo ang suot ko, naka-t-shirt lang talaga. Kasi sa Calgary ngayon, sobrang init fam. There you go. Blue sky baby. There's a blue sky. There you go. Napakanta pa ako ng hail doon. So, naka-prepare ng mga kids. Ready na kaming bumaba. Nagpapack lang si mommy din ng aming dishwasher. Para tapos na rin siya pag uwi namin ng bahay mamaya. So there you go. Samahan niyo ulit kami. And we're thinking of going to some shops today. Kasi may kailangan akong bilhin for the Sorrento. At medyo big deal yun. Kasi nga, alam niyo naman, luma ang Sorrento ko. So wala siya nung built-in navigation system. Kagaya ng mga bagong sasakyan. So binilhan ko lang siya ng screen. So apparently, yung adapter niya na nagpa-power dun sa screen ay nasira. So kailangan kong bumili ng bago. And usually, hindi kasi yun nabibili sa mga online. So kailangan kong tumingin sa Dollarama or it's either sa Goodwill or sa Value Village or kung saang electronic shop. So kailangan kong dalhin mismo yung gadget na yun. Kasi parang hindi siya generic eh. So ayun, we're just going to church and see you later. And ang mga kids ko nangungulit pa talaga sa computer ng daddy. Okay, let's go na. Let's go to church. Si Kuya Hello fam! Natutuwa kami kasi si Kuya nag-Jet 2 holiday. Sampulan mga Kuya. Willis, welcome to
Jet 2 holiday. Right now, you can save up to 250 pounds for family food. One for Jet 2 holiday.
ang galing ng Kuya.
Ayan, tapos na ang church at nagkahayaan na naman po ang fam as usual. Kakain lang naman tayo sa Seafood City ngayon. Ano lang yung gagawin namin and then uuwi kasi may errands na gagawin din si Daddy. So,
Yeah.
we'll see kung makukuha niya yung big niyang kunin.
Kailangan kong electrical. Big problem.
Yeah.
Hindi naman big problem. Gusto ko lang gumagana. Sayang naman yung equipment na meron tayo.
Yep.
Ayan, so
So, on the
there
way
you
na
go.
kami.
And again, Seafood City kami papunta. For sure. Kakain ng aking asawa ng
Halo-halo! Ang init kasi, so bagay na bagay ang halo-halo for today's weather.
Okay, ang napakainit na Calgary ngayon. Sabi parang hindi kaya nung aircon ko yung init. Buti na lang magwi-winter na din. So nandito na kami sa Grill City. Seafood City. Yan, halo-halo.
Ayan, and we're here in Seafood City. Tagal namin hindi nakapunta dito, Pam. Lian, what's that?
Coffee.
Oh, later na lang. I will buy you a new one. Come on. Ayan. At syempre, ang ating barbecue. Wow.
Yan, nakakamiss naman dito sa Seafood City. Ilang buwan tayong hindi nakapunta din dito, love. Go. Not surprisingly, fam, wala masyadong pila. Famous barbecue nila.
parang itlog. Daddy. Pam, alam niyo ba, may lechon po dito tayo sa Seafood City. $18.99 per pound. Ayan. At may promo sila. $5 lang ang halo-halo. Small lang po. Every Monday to Friday, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. daw. Wow. Merienda.
Lunch is served. And bumili si Mommy ng lechon. And barbecue and
Umupo dun, Dad?
dinuguan lang.
Ay, Dan.
Dito nga sila nag ano eh. Yan, so eating time.
Food I don't eat.
Sarap po yan.
Yup, sarap daw Mommy.
Wow.
Kakao.
Yan.
Lechon,
Sarap,
baby.
Daddy.
Oh yeah. Hindi ko pa natitikman yung lechon. Ngayon pa lang. With the magic.
Mang tumas. Pwede? Hi fam! And we're done for the lunch. Nag-Seafood City na ang lahat. Naghalo-halo na rin pero may takeaway po ako.
Ano ba yan?
Coffee jelly. Wala lang na
Meron kaming favorite
Yeah.
na coffee jelly actually sa Singapore.
natripan ko lang so naalala namin dito
Ninang.
si Gemma. Hi Gemma! Shout out! Miss ko na ang coffee jelly mo.
All the way from Singapore.
Yes. So kaya kaya naisipan ko talagang bumili ng coffee jelly. Parang naisip kita. Anyway, nagkaayaan na naman kami. Pumunta naman somewhere downtown.
Yeah, Prince Edward Island.
Yeah,
Hindi, BEI na pala yun.
Oh no,
Hindi,
Princess
hindi.
something?
Yeah,
I can't remember.
Something island here. And
We will let you know mamaya kung saan kasi hindi namin talaga alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Yeah, so pupuntahan namin, nag-shooting sina Alden at saka si Catherine doon.
Yeah, nagkaayaan kami doon.
Tingnan natin ano ang
Daddy,
pwedeng makita doon. Hopefully
we're
yun
in
yung,
Calgary.
hopefully yun yung
I
bench.
just
Yeah.
Calgary Zoo Station is near to downtown.
That's
and
right.
some days we went to Calgary Zoo. Wilder Calgary Zoo
Ah.
is near to Calgary Tower.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi naalala ko kuya, nung isa sa activity nila sa summer camp is nagpunta sila ng Calgary Zoo. We never been there, pero nakapunta ng aming Kuya Davan.
Nauna pa.
Yep, so samahan nyo kami, explore natin ang island somewhere in downtown.
Yeah.
Alright?
Princess Island ata eh.
Something like that.
Yeah, I couldn't really remember.
We'll see. See ya!
There you go, downtown Calgary. Kitang-kita nyo ang Calgary Tower. So, malapit dito yung island na pupuntahan natin.
Ayan pa. Prince Island Park. Ayan, walking na. First time natin dito, Dad. Okay.
Sa ticker ako, dito ako dyan, doon ako.
Yan Sam, ang ganda oh. Downtown.
First time natin dito.
Yep.
Kaya Davon.
And fam, there you go. So nasa bridge kami. And ayan, ang dami nila. Nagla-lazy river sila dito. Or not lazy river. Basta, nagre-river sila. River rafting. And nandun pala ang ano ng river. Wow, let's do this. Yeah. Oh, next week na to. Next week, let's do this. Right, kuya? Right, kuya? Ayan oh. Wow. At saka basta ganyan lang naman namang chance tumaob yan eh. Yung ganyan lang yung alon. Walang taob yan. Oh, wow. Ang ganda dito fam oh. Let's go and walk. Let's go, let's go! Ayan, so nakakita na naman tayo ng river dito. Close to downtown naman to. So look at that. Para makita niyo yung area. So yan yung river. Yan yung downtown. And yung bridge. And ito yung kabilang side ng river. Ganda. Ganda. Okay, so lakad lang tayo. Prince Island Park. Typra. Parang may emergency ata. There you go. Ayan natin. Nice.
And we're here, fam! Ayan. So we're from there sa bridge to this island na daw. It's there, honey. Beside you. No? River Cafe. Oh, sorry.
2009. Ano yung picture ka? Ganyan.
Ayan, ganda. First time namin dito. And let's explore. And sobrang lapit niya talaga sa downtown, fam. Look at that. Dito daw nag-shooting ang Hello, Love Again ni Alden at Katrin. Where do you wanna go?
Pag ganun ang park, pag ganun, be.
Okay. And fam, meron pala ditong live band. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan, pero may naririnig kami. May live band siya, Dad, no? Oh, parang ano, yeah. Nababaskin pala. Akala ko may live band tayo.
Ganda oh. Amo,
Look at
yan
that.
oh. Welcome to Calgary downtown.
Yeah. Yan. Ganda.
Hello, duckies. Hello, duckies.
I want more bread.
Okay, halika na. Look at that, fam. Here's the river. Cross lang kami.
Jerry.
Downtown na yan. Ganda.
That's my nephew.
So sis, nasan yung kina Alden?
Dito yung pinaka, ano yan, area nila.
Oh, dyan. Dyan ba yun yung parang nagsayaw-sayaw sila?
Yata, dito yan.
Oo, okay.
Dyan. Mag-picnic na tayo, adobo. Hello, love again.
Hello, love again. Dito pala. Hey fam, so okay, walking na ang family. And naalala pala namin, dito din pala kami nag-walk nun din ng mama.
Parang dito sa side na to, hindi
Yeah.
dito sa kabila.
Kasi
Hindi na kami
nandoon sa kabila yung Peace Bridge naman. So parang ito yung parang walkway, parang baywalk na tinatawag nila. Pero river. So malaking pinagkaiba niya sa Vancouver. Kasi yung sa Vancouver, dagat eh. Dito sa Calgary, river.
river. Lazy
Pero
river.
more or less same naman yung feeling. At least nasa body of water ka. Pero ayan, parang Vancouver downtown din. Yan. Gilid niya ay ano?
Gilid niya is...
City Center.
Ah?
So there you go.
Meron pa
So
nagla-live.
pakita namin mamaya kung ano pa ang mga scenery doon and activities.
Meron din
May nagbabasking din.
Meron din ditong parang pa-beach sand playground. Ayan. And dito din, fam, ang ganda. Nakakatuwa to sa mga kids. Oh, look at them. Para siyang misk. Kuya! Wow!
And there you go, fam. Merong mist sa gitna ng downtown for the kids. Ang angas.
Go get away.
Nice.
Dad, I can't leave you when I'm here.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold, man.
You can
Ganda ng Calgary downtown. Oh, may coffee shop pala dito na maliit. Yeah, let's check it out. It's Cafe Croissant. YYC. What? Yeah, yeah. What's her name? What's her name? You ask her name.
Sonia.
Sonia. My name is Leah.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Mahal pa ang gupit mo.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Two monster. My sister is. Two monster.
Careful, please.
That's how we get out with the sister is the monster. No, I'm not. I don't want to be the monster.
Yeah, the most expensive one they have was the next. And there you go, fam. Nandito na kami sa bungad ng Peace Bridge again. Ganda, oh. So ibang way naman yung ginawa natin
Mommy,
today.
do you want to see the fish?
Last time kasi doon lang kami nag-park sa gilid. This time, doon kami nag-park sa kabila. And then, paikot kami. Ngayon. So there you go. Peace Bridge. Okay, so we're inside the Peace Bridge again. There you go, fam. Nasa Peace Bridge ulit tayo. Sobrang dami naman. Nang nag-chill dyan sa river, oh. Sarap. Ayan, tingnan natin kung anong sabi nitong mga bulilits. What is that?
The fish is still here.
Oh, anong fish?
Can I show? Over here. It's still there. It's still there.
Yan, ang
The
daming
fish is still
nag-chill.
there. The fish is still there.
So ganda, ganda ng Calgary. Ano siya, kakaiba siya sa Ayan. Ano naman to, the river lifestyle.
When I go to
There you go. Sige, enjoy natin ang summer. River lifestyle. Look at that, fam. Ito pala ang sinasabi ng mga kids. May malaking playground pala dito. So there you go. Ayan sila.
Hindi ko alam na yung ganito dito.
Ayan. Ayan, nakasabit na sila doon. Okay, so enjoy lang mga kids. And enjoy din ng mommy and daddy dito. Babantay lang. Hello, fam! So there you go. Pauwi na ang aming family. And nasa park pa rin kami. Pero pack up na. At balik tayo ng trabaho bukas. So, thank you Lord for an amazing Sunday again dito sa Calgary, Canada. And hope nag-enjoy din kayo sa pagsama sa akin. And yeah, let me know kung ano pa ang gusto nyong makita dito sa Calgary. Try namin na puntahan summer. So again, thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So hit that notification bell para mas updated din kayo sa aming channel. And yeah, we're hoping to be able to post like once a day or daily. Okay? So see you on the next video and hang loose.